SMARTECH JSL 950 amp portable jump starter, and 150 SI air compressor car battery chargers automotive, tire inflator emergency kit dual AC-DC plugs for 12V and 120V digital display. Powerful and compact, this compact power hub has a massive array of output options, including dual AC-DC plug-ins and 2 USB ports for mobile devices. The AC power outputs work for any 120V home appliance or standard power cable. Our product comes with 8-gauge, 243 cables and clearly color-coded clamps that attach to the back of the power station. SMARTECH Safety, our product has built-in low-voltage protection for the product itself, spark-proof, reverse polarity protection, and short-circuit protection. For your personal safety, included below the carrying handle is an integrated ultra-bright flashlight to ensure that you have light, no matter what situation you find yourself in. Convenient air compressor, located on the rear of the portable power station, is a 150 SI air compressor, fully capable of filling the tires on any passenger vehicle and most commercial vehicles, as long as the tire is rated at 150 psi or below. With an air pressure gauge clearly visible on the back, you will always know exactly how much pressure is in your tire. Must-have for your vehicle, make sure you never get stuck on the road with our powerful, built-in jump starter with 950 amps of starting power. SMARTECH Power Station can instantly jump-start most single battery vehicles up to 60 times on a single charge. Using an impressive 950 crank amps of power, the JSL 950 can even jump trucks and passenger vans. SMARTECH Guarantee, SMARTECH promises the highest quality and reliable products. We have a convenient 30-day money-back guarantee and offer a 1-year warranty. If you are not satisfied with your purchase, please contact us. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.